The Omni-Rinse 3-in-1 rinse station quickly and thoroughly rinses a pair of mixing tins, jiggers, and other bar tools hands-free. We have designed both a machine and a simple process that makes it easy to produce high volumes of shaken cocktails with minimal interruption. Let's see how the Omni-Rinse fits into a bar's overall workflow. The traditional steps of service in making a shaken cocktail are: Step 1. Craft the cocktail. Step 2. Garnish and either serve the cocktail or start making more cocktails. And Step 3. Set our tins aside and worry about them later. We don't really think about rinsing our tins as a normal part of our cocktail making process. Eventually, we'll use our last clean tins, and when we need to make another shaken drink, we'll scramble to first locate a pair of tins and then either rinse them by hand or wait for a glass washer to complete a wash cycle. We don't have time for this when we're really busy and guests are becoming impatient. Let's take a look at the Omni-Rinse 3-step process and see why it's so much more effective than what we're used to doing. Step 1 is the same: craft the cocktail. Step 2 is Omni-Rinse. Here's where we break our old habits and make rinsing a normal part of our cocktail making process. Doing so will help us work faster and more efficiently because we are now cleaning as we work. Step 3 is garnish and either serve the cocktail or start making more cocktails. The advantage of the 3-step process is that we never run out of clean mixing tins because they are now being rinsed while we move on to the next task. By the time we need another set of tins, they will be freshly rinsed and ready for use. This slight change in our normal steps of service allows us to work more efficiently than ever before. Now that you understand the 3-step process and how important it is, let's take a closer look at the machine itself. The Omni-Rinse allows you to dump your shaker ice, organize and stage your equipment, rinse your tins and other tools, all without taking a single step. The lower deck provides an area for you to dump your spent shaker ice. Temporarily set your mixing tins and other tools down so you can clear the rinse platform, replacing freshly rinsed items with other items that need to be rinsed. The runoff from the rinse platform also rinses the strainers. The rinse platform allows you to rinse 2 items simultaneously, inside and out, hands-free. Mixing tins, mixing glasses, jiggers, hawthorn strainers, even wine portioning carafes of various designs. Just place the items within the targets, press the rinse button, and move on to the next task. Our advanced warm water rinse ensures that your tins, jiggers, and other items will always be ready for the next use. No more guessing if your tools and measuring devices are clean, and no more worrying about cross-contamination of ingredients. Note that if you place 2 hawthorn strainers in the slots, you can rinse 4 items at once. The water that rinses your tins and other tools flows down to the lower deck and also melts your spent shaker ice, maximizing water usage. Less shaker ice in the dump sink means less hot water needed to melt it at the end of the night. The upper deck is a staging area for freshly rinsed items. Remove clean items from the rinse platform, place them on the upper deck, and then place 2 more items on the rinse platform. Having one Omni-Rinse at every bar station allows each bartender to work at maximum efficiency. The upper deck is a central staging area to keep tins, jiggers, and other tools organized so they will always be at your disposal. Keeping your tools organized the exact same way in each station allows anyone to work any station and know exactly where everything is. This ensures that no one will ever have to hunt for tools.